Namaskar. Sugar tastes great, isn't it? But do you know that excess consumption of sugar can have a very negative effect on your body and mind? Today, I am going to talk about the effect of excess sugar consumption on your body and an healthy alternative for sugar. First, effect of excess sugar consumption on your body. Eating too much sugar causes cellular aging, damages organs in the body, and drains your energy. First, it causes cellular aging and premature aging. Excess sugar consumption can cause cellular aging and breaks down collagen in the skin, leading to premature aging. When you consume sugar, it reacts with the protein of your body, forming advanced glycation end products. It damages collagen and elastin, which are essential for keeping your skin firm and youthful looking. Second, it damages organs in your body. Too much sugar consumption can damage various organs in your body, including your liver, kidneys, and arteries. It can also lead to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, which is a condition when your body accumulates more fat than it can metabolize, leading to liver damage. Excessive sugar consumption can lead to cardiovascular diseases. Third, it drains your energy. Although sugar provides a quick burst of energy, consuming too much of it can lead to energy crashes. When you eat sugary food, your blood sugar levels spike, causing your body to release insulin to regulate sugar. This can result in sudden drop in blood sugar level, leading to fatigue, lethargy, and decreased energy level. Eating sugar is like a drug that triggers release of dopamine and serotonin, making you addicted to that feel-good rush. But too much sugar can cause weight gain and mess with your metabolism. Plus, the insulin release to deal with excess sugar can make you feel sluggish. Excess sugar consumption has hidden dangers that negatively impact your health. To maintain good health, it is important to limit your sugar intake and opt for healthier alternatives whenever possible. Second, healthy alternatives for sugar. Yes, there are several natural sweeteners that can be used as an alternative to sugar. Here are some examples. First, honey. Honey is a natural sweetener that is rich in antioxidant and has anti-inflammatory properties. It is sweeter than sugar, so less needed, and it can add a unique flavor to your foods. Second, coconut sugar is a natural sweetener that is derived from the sap of coconut palm. It is lower on the glycemic index than sugar, meaning it has less of an impact on blood sugar level. Third, fruits. Fruits such as bananas, dates, and apples can be used to add natural sweetness to foods and drinks. They are also a good source of vitamins and minerals. Fourth, stevia. Stevia is a natural sweetener that is derived from the leaves of the Stevia ribogena plants. It is much sweeter than sugar, so only a small amount is needed. Stevia is a calorie-free and does not raise blood sugar. Fifth, jaggery. Jaggery is unrefined and retains some of the nutrients found in the sugarcane juice, including iron, calcium, and potassium. It also has a lower glycemic index than sugar. It is important to note that while natural sweeteners are healthier than sugar, that too in many ways, but person should know that they should be consumed in moderation. Like sugar, they can also contribute to weight gain and other health issues when consumed in excess. So you see, while sugar may taste delicious and provide a temporary good feeling, it can have negative effects on the body if consumed in excess. To maintain good health, it is important to limit the intake of sugary food. So check labels of store-bought food products, choose healthier alternatives to sugar, and consume a balanced diet rich in nutrients. Namaskar.